In this video, I will show you how to fix you edited your profile too many times on TikTok. First, understand the issue that TikTok limits the number of times you can edit certain profile details in a short period. And this is a security measure to prevent spam or abuse of the platform. And one of the easiest solution to this issue is to simply wait for a while before making any further edits. TikTok's restriction usually lasts for 24 to 72 hours, after which you will be able to edit your profile again. And if you're not in a hurry, then you can try waiting it out. Sometimes clearing the app cache can help resolve minor glitches like this one. So here's how you can do this. Go to your profile, click on three lines in the top right corner, and then in the settings menu, scroll all the way down and click on free up space. Here you can see the cache, clear the cache. And another quick fix that you can try is logging out of your TikTok account and then logging back in. For this, again, in settings menu, scroll all the way down and you will find logout button. Click on it and then again click on logout to confirm. And once logged out, close the TikTok app and then reopen it and then log back in. And now try editing your profile again. And if none of the previous methods worked, try reinstalling TikTok to clear any persistent issues. For this, uninstall the TikTok app from your device and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. And then log back into your account and try editing your profile again.